I'm telling that this is an English class and I want you all to speak in English. I know some people may not have that much capability to, like speak English, but still you have to try. Language is something, it will not come automatically unless and until you try. Okay, so I want everybody to communicate with me only in English. I am very strict about it, and anybody who wants to disobey it, I will not entertain them in my class. And any type of misbehavior and inappropriate dealing, I will not deal with such students. Let me make this very clear. Okay, and I think most of the students have understood it. People like Ashutosh, Sandesh, Rameshwar, Ayush, Rishikesh, Tuke, so many people are behaving very well in this class. It's not because their English is so great and they speak English so fluently. No, aisa nahi hai. Sandesh, everyone, they are also, they have their own limitations, but still they manage to obey the rules in the class. Okay, so that is what I appreciate. Okay, at least you should try speaking in English. And Rohit, when I speak, nobody is supposed to speak and nobody will switch on their mic. Today, even before starting the class, you started saying something that and all is so inappropriate in class, and I believe you will not do the same. You had a doubt regarding compliment yesterday. All I asked is to ask that in English, and you failed to do so. And still, when you guys came back, I have cleared that doubt with compliment. Okay, and if you have that doubt, first of all, you need to at least learn to know how to ask it in English. Otherwise, you might remain quiet in class without disturbing the other students. Today I have explained well enough what will happen to compliment, and others have understood it. In your case, it felt like you are interrupting the class better. That should not be the case. You are not here to interrupt, you are here to learn. And I, as a teacher, can understand when you ask something for a genuine doubt and when you're asking doubt just for the sake of asking. At least I can figure out that because I am handling kids for a long time. So all the genuine hearts, all that hearts who wants to learn, I will definitely satisfy. And to Rishikesh sir information as well, I'm telling this. Yesterday you were not there before the class. I asked whether anybody has any doubts. Personally, I called up everyone's name and asked whether they have any doubt and they can clear the doubt. So I keep
I
that thing
heard,
down.
ma'am. I heard, ma'am, in the
Yeah.
video
So
recording.
yes, Sai, keep your hands properly. You're not here to play around with the video, beta. Sai, behave properly and sit in the class because you're sitting in a class, not in a film hall. Okay, beta? Sit properly. Keep your leg down. Sit straight as if you're sitting in a class, not in a market. Okay, thank you. Okay, so yeah, so personally I've asked, and there are some categories. Those who have attended class today, then they are attending a class 2 weeks later, then they are attending a class 3 weeks later. In between, they are hearing. Definitely, they will have lots of doubts because they are not attending it continuously. And if they ask a doubt in the midst of a students who are regularly attending a class, why should I address their doubts? Because other students are wasting their time. They are attending it every day. So I will not encourage any such doubts. And already the things that we are learning, it has been learned till your 10th standard. I'm not teaching anything new. I'm just brushing up your memory. So at least that level se upar jana hai. Okay. So if you are very curious and passionate about your learning, every day attend the class. Okay, I can understand. One day you are missing, 2 days you are missing, I can understand. But once in a while you are coming and just asking any doubt, I will not encourage it. Baki sub doubts, I can clear it up. Okay, so these many things I have just said in case of, reminding you about the instructions. And the attitude of learning is also very important. Every day to some people, I have to say, sit properly, look properly, turn properly. You are not LKG, UKG students. You are not kindergarten students. You are here with a special aim in life, an ambition in life. ऐसे students को पीछे पीछे पढ़ के ऐसे बैठो बेटा ऐसे मत बोलो बेटा ऐसे बोलो No need to say such things. Okay. So without wasting much of my time, I know people like Shantanu Pagar, who was so eager to do. They have, I mean, he has completely done yesterday's homework. I need Shantanu. Remaining students, there were 8 questions. How many of you have done all the questions yesterday? It's okay if you haven't done it. I'm going to share the screen again. And it's like a surprise test to write all the answers. Afterwards, I'll discuss all the answers. At that time, you can correct your answers as well. Okay. So before that, let me know how many of you have finished all that 18 questions. Can I see your virtual hands? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, dear students,
Okay, so Rameshwar has completed fully. Ashish has completed it fully. Piyush has completed wonderful. Ash has completed wonderful. So in a class of 19, okay, one is Rishikesh sir and one is myself. So 9 May, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people has completed it. Baki sub remaining. So means you are not interested or so whichever case, me the screen again.
well, dear students, well, dear students,
Hello, can you hear me now?
yes, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible? Okay, just a second. I'll change my location and I. Shigesh sir, could you please mute your mic? Shigesh sir,
Yes, ma'am.
kindly mute your mic and could you please give me the hostship back?
Taken, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ramesha, can you hear me properly better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Um, I'll start from question number 1. I know few questions I have discussed already, but still I would like to start from question number 1. So for all the students who said they have completed it, I would like to ask Piyush. I would like to ask you the first question. Piyush, can you tell me the answer? Piyush, are you there? Piyush, could you please respond? Piyush, you have raised your hand saying that you have done it. So kindly
He left,
respond.
ma'am.
Okay, Piyush, have you done it better?
He left the meeting.
Okay, Piyush might be having some connection problem. Let it be. So the next person I would like to ask is Shantanu. Shantanu, tell me your answer, please, with the
Yes,
explanation.
ma'am. Grammar is taught us by Miss Sullivan.
Read the question. Whenever you say an answer, first you need to read the question and then say the answer. Okay, beta? Come again.
Ma'am.
Shantanu.
Miss Sullivan teaches us grammar.
Okay.
Grammar is taught us by Miss Sullivan.
Huh. Just listen to me, Shantanu, carefully. This is not two methods. Okay. Everyone in the class needs to listen to me very properly, including Shantanu. Okay. The best way, see, I always tell you, I'm not here to teach grammar just for getting 1 mark in your do as directed grammar ke liye. No, nobody is going to ask you active and passive voices in your NDA English answer. Then you will be wondering, then why are you teaching it, man? We are not learning any grammar as if we are learning it for the high school application. Okay, high school application में do as directed में 10 questions है, एक question active से passive convert करो, passive से active convert करो. No, ऐसे conversions वगैरह बिल्कुल नहीं है from 11th standard. Then why are we learning active and passive voice? To know more about how to communicate in the language properly. So याद में रखो, English 11th standard में the way you are learning English, your focus should be it should help your communicative English. अभी communicative English मतलब क्या है? Speaking, writing, reading. Listening and speaking are connected. That's why I'm not going. LSRW में focused है. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. LSRW में. Shantanu, stop typing. If you are typing now, you will not listen to any of the things I'm saying. I don't want you to type me and give me the answer. Listen properly to what I'm saying. Understood, Shantanu? If you keep typing,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
will you listen to what I'm saying? Stop typing and listen to it. I'm not here to see some answers. I'm not first standard teacher. Ah, very good. Good answer ऐसे बोलने के लिए. Listen carefully. We are not learning grammar in 11th standard, especially in NDA coaching and all. The reason why we are learning is not to just make your answers correct in grammar. We are focusing on LSRW. What is LSRW? Listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. ये 4 area में हमारा हर दिन का daily communication. If your communication is good, your interview skills will be better. If your communication is good, your essay writing and other writing skills will improve. If your LSRW is good, your understanding and grasping power of understanding something in English will be good. So rather than just making your grammatical part correct, our focus on learning grammar is आपका communication skills increase करना है. Okay? So I am telling you not the direct rules. Which method is better for you to communicate? अगर आपका communication में ये active passive voice कैसा एकदम best apply करना है. That is what in that focus I am teaching. If I was teaching to 10th standard students, I would have gone according to the rules. There are 2 types that it can be. No. Here, which is the best way to communicate? Or passive voice में, active voice में ऐसे बोलते हैं तो that is the best way to communicate. That is how I'll be taking the answer. Come to this question. Whenever you get from here on, I don't know whether what methods you have learned in the past, what is the rules. I am not concerned. As far as your communication is concerned, this is the method you need to follow. Miss Sullivan is the subject, you know that. Teachers is the verb, you know that. Us is the object, and grammar can be the complement of the object. Let it be there. I am not concerned about the how to identify complement, वो सब उधर ही रखो. Whenever you convert to passive voice, it's always better to start with the object. Okay? And object us है तो वो object us को subject के जगह में लिखने के समय us will become we. Him will become he. Her will become she. Me will become I. Please write it somewhere fast. हर जन आपके नोटबुक में ऐसे ही लिखना है. I am giving it through chat. This thing has to be written like this shortly. Us will become we. Then me will become I. Then her will become she. Fast, him will become he. Okay, this is the change in कब ये changes हो जाता है object to subject में. These are the changes which are there. Okay, please write down in the podcast tips. Us will become we will become I, her will become she, him will become he. Did you get everyone in the chat? Please take it down. Shantanu, are you taking it down? Small एक box में लिखो आपका notebook में page में.
Wait for a minute, dear student.
Have you written the Shantanu? Shantanu, have you written it better? Rameshwar, have you written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So always keep that in mind while you convert. So ऐसे object आते हैं तो like me, he, us, ऐसे object आते हैं तो this is the conversion that you need to do. So in this first question, okay, Chaitanya. In this question, Miss Sullivan teaches us grammar. इधर का object क्या है? Us. So us को हम subject के जगह पे लाना है. So just now I have given us subject के जगह पे आने के समय what change it will undergo? Us will become. जल्दी से बोलो, Shantanu. Us will become. Shantanu is not there in the class.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ashutosh.
We.
Okay. We. Okay. The next thing is we singular है या plural है? वो बताओ.
Plural.
Ashutosh.
Plural, ma'am.
Plural. So we is plural. So whenever teachers is simple present plural auxiliary verb क्या है? जल्दी से याद में रखे बोलो. Auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, were, etc. इसमें simple present में plural है. is है तो singular है, am है तो I के लिए है. are क्या है? Auxiliary verb है. यूज करते हैं simple present tense में. Plural subject आते हैं तो हम are यूज करेंगे. Now look at this. We are teach V3 form. Teach, taught, taught. Okay, we are taught. So Miss Sullivan teaches us has changed into we are taught. Okay, now you can put the complement. We are taught grammar by subject कौन है? Miss Sullivan. We are taught grammar by Miss Sullivan. Yes, there are different types or methods if you want to write, but this is the best method. Even communicate, this is the best option for converting this sentence. We are taught grammar by Miss Melissa. Okay, how many of you got this answer? Raise your hands. How many of you got this answer? We are taught grammar by Miss Sullivan. Ayush Srivastava. Very good. Now understood? Those who were confused about complement and all, if they have listened to it, at least they will understand. So हमेशा वो object को पहले डालना है. Object का change क्या है वो मैंने अभी बताया. Us we could become we, him become he. Okay, all those things. So verb के immediate past रहता है कौन? वो ही है object. वो object निकालना है. Object का complement उधर ही रखना है. Okay? ऑब्जेक्ट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट उधर ही रखना है. ऑब्जेक्ट पहले निकालना है, वो सब्जेक्ट के जगह में डालना है. देन ग्रामेटिकल चेंज वर्ब के अनुसार करना है. इधर वर्ब सिंबल प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है. हमारा सब्जेक्ट क्या है? प्लूरल है. सिंबल प्रेजेंट प्लूरल का ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब क्या है? आर है. किया हमने. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड. सन who was there? Who asked? Shantanu, no? Shantanu is not there in the class. Okay, Piyush has come back. The other people?
Yes.
Okay. Chaitanya, did you understand? Okay. In type, he has mentioned yes, ma'am. Fine. Going to the next question. The teacher praised him. I want you to do exact steps that I have just told you. The teacher praised him. So can I ask this question to those who are confident? They can raise the hand. It's okay even if it goes wrong, I will make you understand by telling you. Not Rameshwar, not Ashutosh, not Ayush. These three have raised their hands. I will not ask to them because they always say the answer. Apart from Ayush, Ashutosh, Rameshwar, anybody raise their hands? Please raise their hands fast. Confidence से हाथ उठाओ. Even if it's wrong, I will help you out. You just have to listen to me. Okay, who is that? Atharva Shalke. Atharva Shalke, are you there? Can you respond through mic?
Yes.
Okay. So Atharva Shalke, please read out the question for me. Question number 2.
The teacher praised him.
The teacher praised him. Okay. Praised का meaning क्या है? बहुत कीर्ति, like say good things about someone is known as praise. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया, बहुत अच्छा है, वो ऐसे अच्छी बात किसी से बोलते, वो उसको बोलते हैं हम praise. So teacher वो बच्चे को praise किया, appreciate किया. So that हमको active से passive करना है. So इधर का subject क्या है बेटा? अथर्वा try the subject. Which is the subject? किसके बारे में है वो sentence? बताओ जल्दी.
Student.
Subject of the sentence.
Teacher.
Yes. Yeah. Subject क्या है बेटा? I don't know whether you have attended any class. That's the first thing that we have learned. Subject, verb, object. That sentence is about whom? That person. Okay. The beginning.
Him.
Whom that sentence about? The teacher is the subject. And what is the verb here?
Praise.
Praised. And verb is in which form? Is it in present tense or past tense?
Past tense.
Yes, because praised, praise, praised, praised. So V2 form में है. The verb is in past tense. Subject the teacher है. Now, which is the object, beta?
Him.
Very good. Something which is immediately after the verb is known as the object of that verb. So either the object of the verb praised is him. अभी मैंने chat में लिख कर दिया. Him object है. अभी वो him को हम subject के जगह पे लाना है. So him subject के जगह पे आने के समय what changes will it become?
He.
Very good. So our sentence should start with he. Okay. So he correct है. So answer में first word हमने लिखा he. अभी हमको grammar पता चलना है. Praised is what tense? मैंने बोला past tense. Okay. Past tense में एक्टिव से पैसिव में आने के समय which auxiliary verb has to take? Is, am, are, was, were.
What?
He is singular. He is singular. Singular past tense which auxiliary verb है बेटा? Singular past tense. अब ट्राई करो. Past tense होना है, singular होना है. Which auxiliary verb?
He was praised by the teacher.
He was praised by the teacher. I didn't ask the entire answer. Tell me this answer. Auxiliary verbs मतलब क्या है? Tell me the auxiliary verbs.
What?
Tell me the set of auxiliary verbs. I know you were not there in any of the classes because बहुत मेहनत से I have taught auxiliary verbs hand में, leg में, सब बोल के is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had. So many students sitting in this class is witness for that. They have learned it. So set of auxiliary verbs. When somebody asks you auxiliary verbs बताओ, उस time आपको ऐसे ही बोलना है. Is, am, are, was, were. बोलो.
Is, are,
Am, is, am, are.
is, am, are, was, were.
Okay. At least this is the auxiliary verb first step. इसमें is used for present tense. बोलो. Is used for
Present tense.
am is used for the subject I. Am is used for I. Bolo.
Am is used for I.
Are is used for plural. Bahuvajan. More than one people is there in the subject. Present tense mein are use karte. So is and are used for present tense. So are is used for which tense beta?
Present tense.
Okay. So is this also used for?
Present tense.
Yeah. Singular present tense hai so is. Plural present tense hai so are. Similarly, singular past tense hai to was. Plural past tense hai to were. Bolo.
Singular past
past
tense.
tense.
So what?
Plural past
Plural
tense.
past tense. So where?
इतना समझ में आया ना? Is, was, are, were. समझ में आया ना? So this is
Yes.
why we had the teacher praised him. Praised is past tense है. So हमें he से शुरू किया. He singular है. Past tense में which auxiliary verb डालना है? He was praised का V3 form. Praised. He was praised by the teacher. Okay, Adarva? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next question. Like this, who wants to try? Raise your hands. Rameshwar and Adarva, you can keep your hands down. Rameshwar, Adarva and Ayush, now done. Ashutosh. Okay, Ashutosh, you say it. Rishikesh, tu pe kidhar tha beta? Abhi tak nahi dekha? Fine, I'm coming back to you. Ashutosh, read the third question.
The fireman took the injured to the hospital.
The fireman took the injured to the hospital. Batao jaldi. Subject kya hai?
The fireman
Okay. Verb kya hai?
took.
Took in which tense?
Past.
Very good. Now, which is the object here?
The injured.
Very good. Some blog will say that hospital and all. Hospital is not the object here. Which is immediately after the verb. Verb के immediate after क्या है उधर वो ही निकालना है object के से. The injured. Injured मतलब those people who were hurt. Okay, that patients को मतलब है injured. Injured means they have some लगा शरीर में some accident के वजह में. That kind of people, after the accident there will be a set of injured people. So injured means there are बहुत सारा people. It is plural. The injured means a group of affected people. Okay, याद में रखो. The injured is a plural word. It is a group of affected people. So injured का complement है to the hospital. मैंने बोला पहले grammar जैसे first question में to the hospital is a complement of the object. हम रखेंगे वो डराओ मत. But कैसे we will see. So, dear Ashutosh, we have selected the object as the injured. So, sentence case start करना है passive में.
The injured was.
Wait, beta. The injured. The next has to be injured. मैंने बोला plural है and took is past tense. Plural past tense auxiliary verb. याद करो. अभी मैंने अथर्वा को सिखाया. प्लूरल प्लूरल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, प्लूरल पास्ट क्या है? प्लूरल पास्ट क्या है? वॉस है तो
Where?
सिंगुलर पास्ट है, प्लूरल
Where?
पास्ट क्या है?
Where?
वेरी गुड. सो द इंजर्ड वेयर. अभी टेक टुक V3 क्या है? टुक का
Taken
द इंजर्ड वेयर टेकन, किधर टेक किया?
to the hospital.
हाँ, द इंजर्ड वेयर टेकन टू द हॉस्पिटल. किसने?
Fireman. By the fireman.
वेरी गुड. अंडरस्टूड क्लियरली
Yes, ma'am.
everyone? The injured were taken to the hospital by the fireman. So after saying the tense, you can add the complement and then finally by the subject. The injured were taken to the hospital by the fireman. Very good. Now I can see Sai's hand. Sai, you want to try the next one better? Fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say it. Subject क्या है? ऐसे जाना है. Don't say directly say the answer. We have to explain and say. Subject क्या है? An earthquake. Very good. Object क्या
An
है?
object town.
The town. है ना? इधर
Yes,
object
yes.
के लिए complement वगैरह
The
नहीं है.
town.
हाँ, the town is the object and verb which tense में है?
Past में.
Past में. Destroyed. Past tense में. Very good. So how will you start? Object को subject के जगह पे लेके जाओ.
The town.
The town singular है, एक ही है. हाँ, बोलो.
The town where
हाँ बेटा, मैंने
destroyed-
बोला town singular है. Singular past tense के लिए क्या auxiliary verb है? Which auxiliary verb will be used for singular past tense? Towns
Was.
नहीं है, town है.
was.
हाँ,
Where-
बोलो then answer. The town
was destroyed by earthquake.
by an earthquake. And
By an
निकालना नहीं.
earthquake.
The town was destroyed by an earthquake. Write it, everyone. Everyone, every answer has to be written. Sai, don't just look at the board, just write it.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to say the next answer? Raise your hands fast, fast. Okay, we have Ashutosh and Ayush. I told you, don't you understand English better? I want somebody else who has not said. अभी तक किसी ने hand raise नहीं किया. इसका meaning क्या है? You all want to go out of English class? How many people are there in this class who haven't even said any answer yet? Huh? Kuntal, Nakul? Yes, कौन है वो?
My name is Sai.
अभी आपने
Hello.
आंसर बताया ना बेटे? बेटा?
Ma'am, but can you explain that question?
Which question?
That fifth one.
The boys' work pleased the teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
We haven't said that yet. I'm looking for the next volunteer.
Ma'am,
You
that
wait.
less meaning. I want that meaning.
Oh, pleased का meaning चाहिए आपको? वो बहुत I am so pleased with you means I am very खुश about you. Preeti,
Yes.
that is the meaning of pleased. Okay, somebody has volunteered saying that I want to say it. Nakul said he will say sixth one. Akash? Akash, can you hear me? Akash. Akash, not responding. Okay, let's ask Rishikesh Tupe.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 5th. Read करो.
The boys were pleased the teacher.
Subject क्या है?
मैम सब्जेक्ट है द बॉयज.
No, that is where you go wrong. The boys उधर से stop नहीं है. Boy का काम, boys work is one thing. Okay बेटा, हमेशा याद करो. This is the simple mistake you can do. The boy है तो you would have taken the boy. लेकिन the boy apostrophe s मतलब boy से connected कुछ है. Boy का काम, apostrophe s shows the possession. Boys work please the teacher. वो लड़का कुछ काम किया, कुछ असाइनमेंट किया, टीचर को बहुत खुश आया. द बॉयज वर्क, बॉय का काम टीचर को खुश दिया. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. सो बॉय का काम है उधर का सब्जेक्ट, बॉय नहीं है. ओके, अपोस्ट्रोफी एस है तो हमेशा उतना ही लेना है, नॉट जस्ट द फर्स्ट वर्ड. ओके ऋषिकेश, सो व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट?
मैम बॉयज, बॉयज.
अरे बॉयज वर्क, इतना बोलने के बाद boys work, boy का काम, apostrophe s means the sentence is not final beta. Boy apostrophe s and something is there है तो उतना एक है. Here the boys work. If somebody says
Okay, ma'am.
Rushikesh apostrophe s book है तो Rushikesh's book. Okay, Rushikesh's pen. Rushikesh apostrophe s है तो बाकी कुछ है. Then only that subject will become complete. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो subject क्या है?
Boys work.
Very good. Verb क्या है?
Pleased.
Which tense is it in?
Past tense.
Okay. And object क्या है?
Teacher. The teacher.
Now start the sentence with the object. कैसे?
The teacher.
अभी past tense में teacher singular है. Singular past tense के लिए which auxiliary verb is suitable?
Was.
Singular past tense. Very good. The teacher was pleased का V3 form? Pleased. Okay, V1
Pleased ही
V2.
आएगा.
Pleased ही आएगा. So the teacher was pleased. Pleased with what? Pleased by the?
By the boys work.
Very good. The teacher was pleased by the boys' work. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 6. Nakul already said, Nakul will say. Question number 6. Nakul, please read.
The fire damaged the building.
Okay. Subject, please.
The fire.
Very good. Verb, please.
Damage.
Which tense?
Past.
Okay. Object.
The building.
So, please say the answer. It's simple.
The building was damaged by the fire.
Very good. The building was damaged by the sub. Building is just singular past tense. It's so was damaged. Very good, Nakul.
Thank you.
Next. Who taught you French? This is something amazing. Ayush, is your audio clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Subject?
Ma'am, the subject will be who.
Okay. Verb?
Taught.
And which tense it is in?
Past.
Okay. And you? Object is?
You.
Okay. And what is French?
No, I think you French is object.
No, beta. French is just the, sorry, I was on mute. French is just the object of you. You is the, French is just the object of you. So it's a question form. So how will you ask this in passive
By
voice?
whom was French taught to you?
थोड़ा सा. All right, try करो बेटा. थोड़ा सा construction mistake है. Try it
French
again.
was taught to you by whom?
thoda sa. By put it in the last. That is, I'm not saying that it is not correct, but Rameshwar, you are
By
raising your hands.
whom-
Just
By
a second,
whom
better.
were you taught French?
By whom were you taught French? That is the correct answer. By whom were you taught French? By whom were you taught French? I know there are multiple methods in which this answer can be written, but the best method while we communicate, read or write or speak, this is the best way. By whom were you taught? Now, auxiliary verb used is where. Why? You is always taken as plural. So plural past auxiliary verb is where. Taught is past tense. By whom, that is something which usually we will put it at the last, but since it's a question form, that subject by whom, we are putting it in the front. By whom were you taught French? By whom were you? Who taught you? By whom were you taught French? Okay, thank you. Please write it, everyone. Next question. Nakul. Nakul has just said an answer, no? Anybody who has not said, there are so many people who hasn't even opened their mouth in the class till now. Let me ask them. People like Ajinkya, Shivam, Vedant. And Rohit, you want to try anything? You always, your doubts are clear. If you can speak in English, you can speak. Hello? Who is this? Your voice is not at all clear. Whoever that was, it was not at all clear. Hello? That audio was not, Rohit, your audio was not clear. Rohit, there is something wrong with your audio. So please kindly check your audio. Okay. So we will ask someone else. Ajinkya, your audio is clear, no beta? Why don't you try? Ajinkya, you can try question number 8. Are you there, Ajinkya? Ajinkya? No response. And what about this person? Okay. Kuntal Mali. Kuntal? Rameshwar, you say it better. Question number 9. I mean 8. Rameshwar,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 8, please.
Okay, okay, ma'am. The manager will give you a ticket. Wait here. You will be given a ticket by the manager.
Wait. Step by step, bolo beta. There are people who don't understand. So, subject is this, verb is this, object is this. ऐसे बोल के. So, tense ये है. ऐसे explain करके बोलो.
The manager is a subject, and
Okay.
you is the object, and will given actually, yeah.
A ticket is the complement. Okay.
A ticket is a compliment, yeah.
Now,
So
which
the
is the
answer-
tense here? Tense identify करो. Tense क्या है इधर का?
Future tense.
Very good. Will give. Will give future tense है. So, will में क्या changes होता है? Passive active में will be. Okay, that
Will
changes
be.
होना है.
Will be given.
अभी बोलो answer.
You will be given a ticket by the manager.
Excellent. You will be given a ticket by the manager. समझ में आया? Simple one. Object पहले डालना है. Tense future है. Will be. V3 डालना है verb में. Then finally subject by the manager. Okay. Question number 9. Somebody has sent me a message. Ma'am, my device was lagging at that time when you called me. So Akash, are you all good now? Device is good? Akash. अभी भी lagging है क्या? Atharva beta, you want to try once more? You have just said one. Atharva Shalke. Spectators thronged the street. Now thronged means crowded. बहुत बड़ा bead, that is called bead. बहुत बड़ा. Spectators means one who wants to see something. अभी देखो एक accident road में हुआ. सब everybody will come like a bead because they want to see it. That things are called spectators crowded the streets. Okay, thronged means crowded. Okay, ECPC, who will say? Sai, try it beta. Sai. Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
Spectators thronged the streets. Subject क्या है?
Spectators.
Very good. Verb क्या है?
Verb. Thronged.
Thronged. Okay.
Thronged.
Object क्या है?
Object the street.
The streets. Okay. The streets
Yes,
plural है. याद में रखो. अभी start करो answer.
Yes, ma'am.
The streets.
The streets.
Plural past. अरे
What?
plural. Was है तो
Where?
singular past है. The streets. yes देखा आपने? So वो plural है. The streets were
Where?
thronged by the spectators.
By the-
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Streets were thronged by the spectators. Question number 10. ऋषिकेश तू पे ऐसे ही आंसर करना है. Subject, verb, object. Then you have to explain it yourself. I'm not going to say it. ऋषिकेश बोलो बेटा.
Everyone will blame us. Everyone is subject, us is object, and blame is verb. So us we will switch.
Blame सिर्फ blame जैसे है क्या? You can see only the word blame. Blame के सामने कुछ नहीं है.
Will
So
blame.
verb क्या है?
Will blame.
Will blame है तो which tense है बेटा?
Ma'am, future tense.
Continue.
Future tenses. So object will be placed as in the place of subject. So we will be blamed by the. Sorry, we will blame by everyone.
We will
Blame by. We will be
blame
blamed
का
by everyone.
V3 क्या है? Blame का V3.
Blamed,
Blamed. So we will के साथ क्या चाहिए? Future tense में passive
We.
जाने के लिए. So we will be blamed
by everyone.
BLAMED है. Blamed. Okay, याद में रखना है. V3 is blamed. So we will be blamed by everyone. Write it everyone fast. Okay. The next one. All the verbs are given highlighted. Okay, so the next one verb is blue down. वो साथ में है. एक phrasal verb है. Phrasal verb means verbs occurring as phrases are known as phrasal verb. Blew down means how that process is known as the blowing of wind. You know how wind blows. That is called as blowing. Blow down means that is one phrase of how wind blows. The wind blew down the trees. Now blew is the past tense of blow. Blow, blew, blown. BLOWN. I'll repeat. Blow, blew, blown. Okay, so keep that in mind. So who wants to say it? Ashutosh,
Yes, ma'am.
say the answer better.
The wind is subject.
Hmm.
The trees are object.
Okay,
And blue is the verb.
just now I said blue hai or blue down.
Blue down.
हाँ, blue down उतना ही है, phrasal verb है. Blue down साथ में है verb. हाँ, अभी try करो. Sentence क्या से start करना है?
The trees.
The trees, वो plural है, and blue is past tense. Past tense plural verb क्या है? Past tense plural.
Where?
हाँ, the trees were. Now blue का V3 form क्या है? Blonde. अभी वो कैसे हो जाएगा? The trees were
Blow down by the wind.
the trees were blown down. BLOWN. It's blown. Okay, say it better. Blown.
Blown. Blown.
Okay, the trees were blown down by the wind. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
next. Ayush, yes.
Yes, ma'am. The sentence is the police caught the thieves. So
Okay.
the subject is the police.
Okay.
Verb is caught and the
Okay.
thieves is object.
Okay.
So the sentence will be the thieves were caught by the police.
Very good. The thieves is plural. Plural past tense will be where. The thieves were caught by the police. Very good. Next one, Rameshwar.
Yes, ma'am. 13.1. Alice posted the letter. So Alice is the subject here, and posted the letter is object here. So
Okay.
and this sentence is in past tense. So
Since
the answer
this
will
is
be
in posted.
yeah. So the answer will be the letter was posted by Alice.
The letter was posted by Alice.
Yeah.
Very good. Next one, the hostess received me. When a lady is being the host, it is called as hostess. Okay. Host is the opposite of guest. Somebody who conducts everything is known as host. And if the one who conducts is a lady, we will say hostess. It is just one person. The hostess received us. Explain it. Atharva. Atharva. No reply. Only 8 participants in the class while I started explaining. So only these people will attend the class every day, I think. Dupe.
Yes, ma'am. The hostess received us. Hostess received us. So the subject is the hostess. Received is the verb, and us is the object.
Okay.
So
us will become
we.
subject.
Us,
yes.
Us will become we. We were.
Very good.
Received. By
Received.
the hostess.
V3 क्या है? Receive का V3 क्या है बेटा? हाँ.
Received.
चाहिए. Received.
Received by the hostess.
Very good. We were received by the hostess. Okay. So the last 15, 16, 17, 18, those who have not done, they can do it as a homework and practice. And like this, you know the general rules. The only thing changes is sometimes perfect tense will come here. So had and been, have and been, has and been should be added. But the process is the same. Now that you have listened, all those who have listened would be able to do it by your own. So that's it. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye. And
Hello,
Ayush, if you have any doubt, I think if it's apart from the studies, you think
Yes, ma'am, I had, but it is a bit irrelevant.
Is it something related to what we have learned today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I think if it's related to academy, it's best to ask Rishikesh sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in 15th question, and there is they slash and somebody. So what is the meaning of the slash?
15th question. 15th question. What is the 15th question? Read it out.
They slash somebody killed the snake with a stick.
हाँ, वो they and all will be the subject. उधर का object क्या है? Snake is the object. Killed is the verb. And stick is the subject. इतना ही याद करो. Then you can do it. Snake is the object. Killed is the verb. Stick is the subject. Okay, beta? Just take out that much. Then you will be able to write. All right. Bye.
Okay,
See you
ma'am.
tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.